Fun with Fire. Tonight we're doing a little box fountain. It's called Little Soldier from Hot Fireworks Complex. Yeah, Veterans Day. Shout out to our veterans. Thank you very much for your service. We appreciate it. Your item number is the 0830C. You never know with these box fountains. Look at that little guy, little veteran guy there. You never know with these box fountains what you might get. Sometimes they can surprise you. So let's check out Little Soldier from Hot Fireworks Complex. Yeah. Here we go. Woo. Hot Fireworks Complex. Ooh, nice colors. Nice colors. Sweet.